Okay, we are done, and let me show you the finished product here. Look at all that juice. Right, this is it. And I've done one thing, I plated it. Normally, you know I don't do this, right? But here you have it. Huh? What do you say? Huh? And it is so good. And it's really tender. I mean, this is like so tender. Look how it cuts. Look at that. See that? Now you see it? No, you don't. Oh my God, it was so good. And this is the jasmine rice with the gravy on it. Wow. This is so good. And the asparagus. I'm going to have some of every bit of this. Let's pull that apart. I love this asparagus. This is really good. I was just going to plate it and keep it moving, but do you know that there's so many different ways to do things, and they don't have to take a whole 4 and 5 hours if you know what you're doing. If you just prep your stuff, have what you want ready, time your stuff before, you know, have a dry run, a practice run rather, and sometimes if you have to write it down, what's happening? Sometimes if you have to write it down, write it down. So when you're recording it, if you want to show it and stuff, this is what you call mukbang. Eating it while you know, talking, letting you see how good it is. A lot of people just eat the whole meal in front of the camera and talk. It's called mukbanging. But this is so good. It's tender, and the juices from it, and you can see like the jerk. It has a kick to it, but it's a kick that you can, you know, enjoy. That is so good. So anyways, this is done. And I'm going to go because I'm going to enjoy this. That's so good. So, that's the finished product. I'm going to upload it. I will be back Tuesday. I have a day off, and I'm going to do the eggplant parmesan with some other stuff. And just chat and chew with you for a while, okay? Thank you for watching. Go to YouTube, In the Kitchen with Cindy. Hit the subscribe button. And it's already here on In the Kitchen with Cindy. But I have an Instagram, too. I'm going to turn you on to my Instagram, too. It's Cupid Doll. CUPIDDOLL. My daddy used to call me that when I was a kid. Cupid Doll. So you can go there, too, and check that out. I'm going to start loading up on there, too. Blessings to you. It's so good.